Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by loosening the bond. Soak your hands in warm water around 40 degrees for 5 to 10 minutes so the adhesive softens. While wet, push back cuticles gently and apply cuticle oil around each sticker to seep under the edge. Once done, use a wooden stick or orange wood tool to lift one corner. Work slowly and outward so you don't tear the sticker or damage the lacquer underneath. You continue by peeling slowly. Hold the nail steady and pull the sticker at a low angle toward the free edge to reduce stress on your natural nail. If adhesive remains, dab a cotton pad with cuticle oil or an acetone-free remover to lift residue. Let it sit 20-30 seconds, then wipe. Once most residue is gone, gently buff with a 240-320 grit block to smooth, making sure not to overbuff and thin the nail plate. You finish by washing hands with mild soap to remove oil and loosen particles, then apply moisturizer and nail oil to restore hydration. If a sticker stubbornly resists, re-soak that finger for 3 to 5 minutes and repeat the slow lift technique. Patience prevents damage. If nails look stained, make a paste of baking soda and water, gently scrub, rinse, and immediately rehydrate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.